We've got to get these muddy footprints cleaned up quick. How is a good question. Naniji says coconut oil is good for everything. Skin, hair, cooking. Why not cleaning floors? We're not only going to clean up these footprints, we're going to make these tiles shine. Here's a sponge, Anoop. Let's get cleaning. We did it! Shines like ice. Give it up for teamwork. Call Mama and Bubba for help? No way! We can handle this. We just need a plan. Naniji must be cooking her famous pancakes. Anoop, that's it! Pancakes! Not to eat, silly. To clean up. Pancakes can soak up butter and maple syrup. Why not coconut oil? Bina, we'd like to order lots and lots of pancakes from Naniji, please. We love pancakes.
Love pancakes.
Extra spongy, please.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Ooh. Lots and lots of pancakes for Deepa and Anoop. Multitude of pancakes coming right up. Time to go into hypercook.
Thanks, Bina. It's working! The pancakes are soaking up the oil. Keep them coming, Bina. Check it out, Anoop. We can mop up the oil like this.
Pancakes?
Okay, now that we've soaked up the oil, we've got to figure out what to do with all these.
Pancakes! Who's up for more of my special recipe pancake? Oh, Deepa! Oh, what is going on? This is what you do with my pancakes? Food is not to be wasted, beta. It is to be honored.
Sorry, Naniji. I didn't think about it that way. Everything started going wrong and we needed to clean up a big mess and... Bubbles? Oh no! The bubble bath! Anoop, we left the water on in the bathroom. Oh, Naniji, look out!
Hoi, hoi, Deepa! What's going on?
I'm sorry, Naniji. Anoop and I thought we could run Mango Manor without any help, but everything's going wrong. We just wanted Mama and Bubba to have a nice staycation and not have to worry about anything.
Oh, Deepa, that was very thoughtful of you and Anoop. But can I tell you something? A brave leader has the courage to ask for help. Are you a brave leader, Deepa?
Of course I am. Naniji, can you help us, please?
Is my chutney sweet and spicy? Bina, Pintu, Rocky! Time to get cleaning. Quickly, before Mama and Baba